Welcome student to Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, our department Humanity and Science. Course Basic Mathematics, course code 22103, myself again Smita Shekhar Kamble. Unit 2, chapter number 5, Trigonometry. Additional formula from the trigonometry, sin A plus B, sin A cos B plus sin B cos A. In this formula, most important thing is remind that sin A plus B is there. So first is sin A cos B, then sin B cos A. Order of the sign same as here, and cos B with cos A. Okay, always remember. Sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus sin B cos A. Now next I erase first thing. Sin A minus B. Same trick apply. Sin A cos B, but middle sign will be changed. Sin B cos A. Same formula, only here minus, here plus, here plus. Now cos A plus B. Always remind that cos A plus B, cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. And cos A minus B, cos A into cos B remain as the same. But here is plus sin A into sin B. Now our very important tan A plus B is tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. And second one, tan A plus B upon 1. Here we have to must think that this format is again. If I take the tan A plus B, so plus and minus, here tan A minus B is there. So we have to write here A minus, here plus. Okay, we consider all these things. So I revise again. Sin A plus B is sin A into cos B plus sin B into cos A. Always remind that if you write here plus minus, it is plus minus. If you write here plus minus, here minus plus. Always remind this form. We take example based on this formula, that is sin A plus B, sin A cos B plus cos A into sin B. If sin A is equal to 5 upon 13 and cos B is equal to minus 4 upon 5, where A and B are the obtuse angle, then find sin A plus B. Obtuse angle means it is lies in a second quadrant. We have sin A 5 upon 13. And cos A we have to find, because cos B is given. Because we have to must find the sin A cos B, cos A sin B, both the angle for sine and cosine. So we know that cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A, which is fundamental identity. 1 minus sin square is 5 upon 13 whole bracket square. 5 square is 25, 13 square 169. 1 minus 25 upon 169, cross multiplication, 169 minus 25. So 144 upon 169, therefore taking square root, 144 is square root of the 12, we have to take the square root, and 169 is the square of the 13. So cos A is equal to 12 upon 13. But cos lies in a second quadrant, cos in second quadrant is always negative. Now similarly, sin cos B is equal to minus 4 upon 5, we have to find sin B. So we have sin square B is equal to 1 minus cos square B. Minus 4 square is 16. So 16 and 5 square is 25, cross multiplication, 25 minus 16 upon 25, 9 upon 25. Taking square root of both sides, sin B is equal to 3 upon 5. Now we have to use the formula. Sin A plus B is sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. So 5 upon 13 minus 4 upon 5 plus 12 upon 13 into 3 upon 5. So 5 into minus 40 minus 20 upon 65, because 13 5s are 65. 12 into 3 is 36 upon 13 into 5 is 65. Final answer minus 20 minus 36 minus 56 upon 65. So sin A plus B is equal to minus 56 upon 65. Now we have to take the example from the book. Prove that sin A plus B minus sin A minus B is equal to cos A plus B minus cos A minus B is equal to minus cot A. We know that sin A plus B, sin A cos B plus cos A into sin B. Minus remain as the same. Sin in bracket A minus B, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Next, cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A into sin B. Minus remain as the same. Put the compulsory bracket. Cos A minus B cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So we have to take the common term cancel, and what is the remaining term I highlight here. हाँ. So sin A cos B and minus sin A cos B get cancelled. But minus minus become plus. So cos A into sin B 2 times cos A into sin B. Now here cos A cos B minus sin A sin B minus cos A into cos B get cancelled again. Minus sin A into sin B minus sin A into sin B minus 2 sin A into sin B. Now we have to cancel which? Sin B get cancelled. 2 get cancelled. So cos A upon sin A minus remain as the same, cos upon sin cot. So we have to prove that the sin A plus B minus sin A minus B upon cos A plus B minus cos A minus B is equal to cot A. So in all the example, very interesting fact, we use all the formula of additional formula, that is sin A plus B, sin A minus B, cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. Be careful, if negative sign is there, we have to put the bracket and equating common term and cancellation. Now we have to use the formula cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A into sin B. If sin A is 5 upon 13 and cos B is equal to minus 4 upon 5, where A and B are obtuse angle, then find the cos A plus B. From the example, we have the values. Sin A is 5 upon 13, cos A 12 upon 13, sin B 3 upon 5 and cos B minus 4 upon 5. By evaluating the fundamental identity we already have, so we only put the values. We have cos A plus B formula, cos A cos B plus sin A into sin B. Cos A is 12 upon 13, cos B is minus 4 upon 5, sin A is 5 upon 13, sin B 3 upon 5, 12 into minus 4 minus 48, 13 into 5 65, 5 into 3 15, 3 into 13 into 5 65, minus 48 plus 15 minus 33 upon 65. So cos A plus B is minus 33 upon 65. These values we have to use the sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. Cos square A is 1 minus sin square A. Sin square B is equal to 1 minus cos square B. Cos square B is equal to 1 minus sin square B. So we have the already values we have to put in this formula. Our main formula is tan A plus B. We know that tan A plus B is tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. Example, if tan A is equal to 1 upon 2, tan B is equal to 1 upon 3, find tan A plus B. We know that tan A plus B is tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. We have to put instead of tan A 1 upon 2, tan B 1 upon 3. 1 remain as the same, tan A 1 upon 2 into tan B 1 upon 3. So anything similar is there, we have to consider the multiplication. We have to take the cross multiplication in numerator, that is very important. 3 into 1 3, 1 into 2 2, 2 3s are 6. 1 minus remain, 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 3, 1 upon 6. 6 into 1 6, 6 minus 1 5, 5 upon 6. 3 plus 2 upon 6, 5 upon 6. Common term get cancelled. We derive the final answer is 1. Okay, so we have to use the tan A plus B is tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. If tan A minus B is find, oh yes, tan A minus B is tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A into tan B. Let us check just example. Tan A minus B is what? Tan A minus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. Example, if tan A is 1 upon 2, tan B is 1 upon 3, find tan A minus B. We have the formula tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. We have to put the value of tan A is 1 upon 2, tan B is 1 upon 3, 1 plus 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 3. So 3 minus 2, we have to take the cross multiplication. I use the highlighter here. Cross multiplication, tan A 3 into 1 3, 2 into 1 minus 2, so 3 minus 2, 2 into 3 6. 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 3 is 1 upon 6, 6 into 1 6, 6 plus 1 7 upon 6. So 3 minus 1 1 upon 6, 7 upon 6, 6 get cancelled here. Be careful, 1 upon 7. We use the law of indices. I revise the formula again. Tan A minus B is tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus 1 minus. Here we have to take 1 minus tan A into, so here is plus. That is printing mistake. Tan A minus B is tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A into tan B. So it is the example, solve example from your book. Yeah, it is the photocopy. A is equal to 32 degree, B is equal to 88 degree. Reduced to tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B, which equivalent to tan A plus B. Let us check. Tan 32 plus tan 88, 1 minus tan 32 into tan 88. We know that it is the left hand side of the tan A plus B. So we have to put 32 plus 88, 120. But 120 is 90 plus 30. We know that tan, that is tan 90 plus theta is equal to minus cot theta. So that's why minus cot theta, theta is 30, cot 30 is root 3. So minus root 3 is the final answer. Now in this example, prove that sine 3 theta upon cos theta plus sine 3 theta upon theta is 4 cos 2 theta. We have to consider the left hand side. So we have to take the highlighter again. Cos 3 theta upon theta, we have to take the cross multiplication here. Cos 3 theta into sin theta plus sin 3 theta into cos theta, denominator cos theta into sin theta. We have to use here, suppose theta is A, 3 theta is B. So which formula we establish? Let us check. I highlight here, it is A, it is B, it is again B, and it is A. So we have formula sin A cos B plus sin B cos A. So it is exactly which formula? Sin A plus B. So sin 3 theta plus theta, because A plus B is theta plus 3 theta, and sin 30 upon cos theta remain as the same. 3 theta plus theta is obviously 4 theta. So we have to use exactly sin A cos B and sin A minus B. Okay, we understand that. Now sin 4 theta upon sin theta into cos theta. We have to know that it is using the sin 4 theta. So I use here sin 4 theta, I write 2 theta plus theta. Okay. I first erase something. So I use highlighter again. Sin 2 theta plus theta. We know that sin 2 theta means sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta plus cos 2 theta into sin 2 theta. Means same terms are there, so we can write 2 sin 2 theta into cos theta. So that's why we have to establish 2 sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta upon sin theta into cos theta remain as the same. So here we have to use the sin 2x is 2 sin x into cos x. Again I establish these here. Here I again use sin x plus x. Same term we derive, that is obviously sin x into cos x plus cos x into sin x. Okay. So 2 times same term, that's why we have to write sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x into cos x. So we have to put the, instead of sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta into cos theta. Cos 2 theta remain as the same. Sin theta, 1 sin theta get cancelled. 1 cos theta get cancelled. So we 2 2s are 4. 4 into cos 2 theta, it is the final answer. So we have to must prove this example using the practically which we have to prove. Always sin theta 1 upon cosec theta 1 upon sin theta, cos theta 1 upon sec theta 1 upon cos theta, tan theta sin theta upon cos theta, cot theta cos theta upon sin theta, tan theta 1 upon cot theta 1 upon tan theta. Trigonometric identities. Lecture